In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Google Workspace support. Let's start at your browser. Open a new tab and search for Google Workspace. You're looking for the official Google site, typically on a google.com domain, such as the Workspace homepage or the admin console. Avoid third-party links or ads that don't clearly point to Google because you want to be sure you're in the right place before you reach out for support. Click through to the official link. If you land on a general Workspace page, that's fine. You can still access support from there once you're signed in. If your browser prompts you to log in, go ahead and sign in with the account that manages your organization's workspace. Using an administrator account is important here because many support options are only available to admins. If you have multiple Google accounts, check the profile icon in the top right and switch to the correct one so you see the right options. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the page for the help icon. It's the small question mark inside a circle. Click that. This opens Google's help panel, and from there you'll see an option to get more help or contact support. A chat window will open on the side or bottom of your screen. In the chat, type a short, clear description of your issue, something like billing error or cannot add user. Keep it concise, but include the key term that best describes the problem so the system can route you quickly. The virtual assistant will respond with suggested help center articles and relevant guidance based on what you entered. Take a moment to review those suggestions. Many common issues can be resolved right away by following the recommended steps. If the first suggestion doesn't fit, refine your description with another keyword or a brief clarification, and the assistant will adjust. If the self-service guidance doesn't solve it, the chat will typically offer to connect you to a live support agent or open a support case for follow-up. When that happens, be ready to confirm basic account details, like your organization's domain and the scope of the issue, so the agent can help faster. Depending on your workspace edition and region, you may get live chat, phone, or email support options. If a case is created, you'll receive updates and next steps, and you can continue the conversation through the channel provided. That's it. Open your browser, find the official Workspace page, sign in, click the help icon, describe the issue, follow the suggested guidance, and escalate to an agent or a case when needed. This path gives you the fastest route to the right support for your Google Workspace account.